Then me run back in because you don't know. Food is the staff of life, so if I go and plant up the ground, as soon as I get a break, I can deal with that.
Alright.
Yeah,
Well, that is it. As soon as I get no other information, we'll make you know.
yeah man, I'm good to
Alright?
go with that.
So we talk.
Big up yourself.
Alright, numbers.
Yeah. Yo, young Jenna, I want to ask you something. Miss Brissette have a man? No, me just ask, man. Alright. No, man, everything good. No, bro, no, say so Miss Brissette, chicken or star.
Destiny, you can't say that.
And that me say, I'ma mean it. Me hate her.
Don't bother with that, man. No matter what, I still your mother, you know. And you know say she love you.
Daddy, that's why them have phone she shoulda call.
Me get what you say. But that's why she asked me to tell you.
So why she coulda tell me herself?
Because she know say you're gonna get upset. And see it there, she did right.
Mommy in a trouble?
Why you ask that?
That means she in a trouble.
No, not really trouble.
You can tell me the truth, please. She the one who always tell me lie. You the better do the same thing.
What kind of lie she tell you, Destiny?
One, she never tell me I'm a father. She lived with a man that abuse me. And three, she always tell me say she so come for me and she never come for me.
But Destiny, she did eventually come for you.
And then she disappear again. She always do that.
So, and that's why you say you hate her?
She always pop up like blackhead and disappear like she a magician.
I know say it's difficult in a while, but hate is a very strong word for use.
Me say it, but you prove it.
That's not true. Your mother love you unconditionally.
I say you treat somebody way you love. That's why I say adults confusing, Nobody wanna grow up.
Unfortunately, that's not possible. Alright, this at the moment are true. First thing is, your mother love you very much, but she's just going through some difficulties right now.
Daddy, you still love mommy?
Well, yeah, I am mother, so I always gotta have a special place in my heart for her. But why you ask?
Because you always defend her.
Alright, but I'm not defend her this time. I just tell you the truth based on what she tell me.
And the truth is, she in a trouble, right?
Yeah, but this time I'm not fear for her. Listen, she witnessed a kidnapping and now she have in a witness protection.
Witness protection? What that?
The people who are responsible for the kidnapping are some very dangerous people. And them are going to hurt her mother if them find her. Because she see them face.
So that means that she have in a hiding?
Yeah. But at the police them have her in a safe location. That's why them call it protection instead of hiding.
So, she gonna do that forever?
No. As soon as the police them catch who is responsible, then she will be free.
So how she reach Jamaica if them did protect her?
Because she miss you and she don't want to see you. But it never safe, so then come back for her.
And that's why she never call me so long?
She don't really have access to her phone. And that's why she decided she have to come see her.
That no mean that she could risk her life. The bad people them could have catch her, you know?
Now you see, that's proof how much she love you. She risk her life just to come see you. She was too embarrassed to call you and tell you say them come back for her.
You never know that, Daddy.
You know say you never know. That's why I tell you.
I'm not really happy to see her. I think that she was there for my cheerleading tryouts and my ganga like a farmer.
Trust me. She did one day here for everything. You see sometimes life just plays some unfair games and we have to roll with it.
She not on the phone in a witness protection.
Not right now. But she said she soon get one and she will call you as soon as she do.
I never mean to say me 8 times.
No, princess. You just be disappointed and upset.
I did want to go back up and upgrade like the last time.
Trust me. It gonna happen again and even better than the last time.
Daddy, me can ask you something?
You just ask me something? You say you want to ask me something.
Something else. You know what I mean?
Ask me, I ask. You can ask me anything.
How it did feel?
Oh, what did it feel?
When your girlfriend then broke up.
What? Listen, what are you talking about?
Mommy, Auntie Patsy, and Vanessa. Did you feel like your girl is not true?
What up? Destiny. How we get all of that from? First of all, Vanessa is not my girlfriend.
Anything you say, bombastic, side-eye, criminal, offensive, side-eye.
Whatever. But me and Patsy are just friends now.
Okay. And mommy,